Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize sales strategies with Shake Shack, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your sales strategies with Shake Shack, start by researching the brand's core values and mission. Understand what sets Shake Shack apart in the fast casual dining segment. Analyze their menu offerings to identify popular items that drive customer demand. Evaluate their pricing strategy and how it compares to competitors. Examine their marketing campaigns to determine effective messaging in channels. Look for seasonal or limited-time offerings that create urgency for consumers. Study Shake Shack's customer service approach to ensure a positive dining experience. Gather customer feedback through surveys or social media to identify areas for improvement. Utilize data analytics to track sales trends and customer preferences. Consider strategic partnerships or collaborations that align with Shake Shack's brand. Implement loyalty programs that encourage repeat business and increase customer retention. Adapt your sales tactics based on regional preferences and demographics. Utilize online platforms for promotions and to enhance visibility. Engage with customers through social media to build a strong community around the brand. Monitor industry trends that may impact customer behavior or attitudes towards dining. Evaluate operational efficiency to ensure quick service and high-quality food. Use these insights to adjust your sales strategies accordingly. Continuously test and refine your approach based on performance metrics and customer feedback. Ultimately, aim to create a seamless experience that resonates with Shake Shack's values and customer expectations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.